Hi my dear friends, I hope you all are doing fine. So in the last video you have seen that in the Google Play console we have been published our app, that is the Jol games. So this is our game that we have been published in the few days back, and after that we have been published our app in Amazon store also, Amazon App Store also. So now we will going to publish our app in India's Play Store, that is Indus AppStore. So this is here we will going to publish our app. As you can see, our two apps are already been live here. Now it has been active status. So now we will going to publish our new app, that is Jol's Games app. As we have been taken all the description and the key store, apk file and app file and everything, and the information also. So whatever the description is there, we will going to take from the live app only, so it will be very easy. And we are using the chat gtp also for any help or any kind of a keywords or anything. Okay, and for the images resize we have already been using this website, that images resize. So let's start and publish our app in the Indus App Store. So just go on the live and the new app here, just click on. So it's asking for the title, so we're going to copy our title here, just copy and paste, and it's asking for the logo. So this is our logo, and it's asking game, and it's asking for the category. It's like in a puzzle game only we will keep. None of above is there because it's not a news and personal app anything, and the age is 18 plus we are keeping, and save it and next. Okay, short description and long description. So what I will going to do for the short description, I will take from till here. It's up to you, or whatever the description you are taking, it's up to you. So in my case, whatever I did, I will using. So description also have been copied. Now it's asking for the screenshots. So what I will going to do, I will upload all the screenshots. I have been okay, it has been taken all the screenshot, and if you have a video you can add the video also here. So right now I don't have any video, but in the upcoming future I will add the video also. Just save and click on next. There is a something we have been missing here. Okay, I have been added more images here, so that's the reason it's not taking. Oh, I think I need to remove one of the app here, so it's been duplicate is here. Let's see. Okay, the description I have taken too long for this. Okay, save and next. Okay, generate to all the information. Indus, you have to click on this because it's going to translate your app to all the local supported or like that. Just generated here all the languages, so it will going to take all languages like Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Tamil, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, Bengali, Punjabi, Odia, Assami, Urdu. So and here also click Indus localized support. You can be request for the language view and it is supported. So you can able to see here is we have been already been changed here. Okay, if you want you can add the images also particular for the, but I will what going to do, I will going to because it's based on the languages you can able to create those images also. So okay, for the support I need to have the mail id, that is support mail id, contact number 7989. This is my number only, and website also we have. I think I need to go. Okay, the private policy also we have to mention here. I can take from the Play Store also, but if you don't have a policy, just click on here. But if you have a policy, then you have to click. And what are the data you are taking? So I will just click on the device IDs we required, as we have been running the ads. That's it. And personal info, we are not taking any financial app information. Crashing data and diagnose data also we are taking, because we want to see whether our app has been crashing or not. Okay, then say next. And it is asking to upload your apk or abb file, so I will upload the apk file here. As it's been uploading, just wait for a few seconds. So it has got the green tick, so we have to do the submit here. It has been processing, and each and everything, whether what are the information we are given, it's right or not. So it is going to be finalizing. Okay, so as you can see, our app is in review now. So Indus app is like in a completely simple, like a it's like such a simple, not such a complicated, and it is very easy to use also. If you feel that it is such a complicated, no, as for me now it's very easy. And but there is one problem. As you can see, I will going to show you one thing, that you have been mentioned here, the mail ID one, that is, you have been uploading your email ID, so you will going to get a one mail, as in my mail ID. Wait a minute, I will going to show you the mail ID also, how you will going to visit receive the mail ID also. Okay, you will going to get a mail from the Indus, that which mail you have been given. If it is the same mail ID which your account has been created, then is fine. If it is like you have been given the some other mail ID and the app publishing, as you can see here, my mail ID will be a different, will be there. Just hold on a minute. Okay, here is a reset tech developer as my YouTube channel, it is a mail ID. Okay, but as you can see, my console account has a different mail ID. So the Indus, what they will going to go, they will going to send the mail to this mail ID. In that they will ask it is your ownership or not. So we will mention that it is my ownership only, please live my application, this is my application only. Then you will say that it is my application, please approve and live. Then after that it will going to be live your app. Until that it won't be get a live, and you will get a mail also. So please wait for the Indus app stores. You have to wait, and you will get a mail, then you can able to clarify. So I hope you will have you got your point and you understand. If you have any problem, let us know. We will see, and we will fix your problems also. Let us know if you have anything. Thank you so much.